How to turn on or off mentions on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off when someone mention you notifications on Likee app. So first thing, go to your Likee, click on those three lines up there, and here you're gonna find setting at the bottom. Click on it, click on notifications, scroll down, you're gonna find me. That's mean when someone mentions you, you're gonna get a notifications. If you turn off this option, you are not gonna get a notifications when someone mention you. So this is it. You can turn on or off wherever you want. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and help us with a like. See you next time.